Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to sync emotes with your friends in It. So in this latest update, It added a brand new feature that called sync emotes. And with this feature, you and your friends can do the same emote together at the same times. And honestly, it looks really fun and cute. And then now, the way to use it actually is super easy. First, just walk close to your friends in the game, like this. Just walk to your friends and then just tap on your friend's avatar. Just tap on the sync emotes options, this one. After that, just choose the emotes that you want to do together. In here, I want to do sitting pose like this, and then your friend will get a request, sync emote request. So all they need to do is accept it, and once they accept it, both of you will instantly do the same emote pose together like this. It's a really fun feature if you want to take a cute screenshot or make funny moments or just hang out with your friends in It. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.